Hello and good afternoon, welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this absolutely stunning G05 X5 3 litre D we have in. Presented in sapphire black metallic, this has over £10,000 worth of factory options. In addition, we've carried out some aesthetic styling upgrades which we hope you'll like. I certainly do. I think it looks better than any X5M on the road. Absolutely gorgeous car. Let's take a look around. First thing you'll notice is these striking 22-inch wheels wrapped in Continental matching tyres all round. They're bi-colour, very similar style to what you see on the X5M. Front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, LED headlights to the front. Car's only covered 8,000 miles from brand new. It will have his first service at Sitting in Nottingham prior to going out. M Sport Plus pack with the M brakes and Harman Kardon sound system. We have added these gorgeous M Performance vinyl decals down the side. You can see the additional sidebars as well. The car is currently in access mode, so it's the lowest it can be. Privacy glass to the rear. You'll see the Sky Lounge sunroof in tilt mode currently. We'll have another look at that when we go inside. Really nice option. Rear spoiler and rear diffuser as well. We can debadge it for you if you prefer, please ask. Reverse camera, surround cams. This is also a 7-seater vehicle, as you see there. Parcel shelf present. I won't bore you, but you can use these buttons to flatten all the seats. Automatic tailgate. Really nice looking car. I always prefer Jeeps in black. I certainly do think it suits this car as well. It's black sapphire metallic with extended merino leather. Comfort access system on this vehicle as well. Roller sun blinds to the rear windows. I've actually had to have notes on this. I normally just press record and go away with it because I've done so many cars, but this one I've had to, you can probably hear the notes crunching in the background. It's got a lot of specs, so I didn't want to miss anything out. Rear sun blinds, rear heated seats, travel and comfort pack. These seats are also electric. M Sport belts, got really good rear centre armrest as well. Heat comfort package. I've mentioned the rear third row seats, adaptive LED lights, park assistant, head up display as well. There you see the intricate leather, gloss black dash. Heated steering wheel, electrically adjustable, of course a digital cockpit, crafted clarity glass elements, which is a really nice touch just there. Heated and cooled cup holders, wireless charging, there you see the glass Sky Lounge roof. With the Sky Lounge you can see the small dots. In the dark you can select a colour, the same as the interior ambient lighting. It will light up, so it looks really effective at night. Beautifully presented, will be serviced prior to going out. I believe this is one of the nicest looking X5s in the UK at the moment. Physically in stock, ready to go. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you and keep safe. Thank you.